With every improvement we make, we're trying to make campervanning even easier and more accessible. Let me show you how the new electric automatic roof does just that. Welcome to Sussex Campervans. My name's Daniel, and it's my delight today to introduce to you the latest in our Paradise Deluxe range of campervans. This is the new VXE model. Simply unclip these catches and press the up button. How easy was that? Now the roof's up, I can unzip the front panoramic window and let some light in. I've got some mesh air vents at the side too for the hot summer evenings. They just roll up with some Velcro. We build the Paradise Deluxe VXE on the award-winning Renault Trafic van. It's a superb medium-sized van, so comfortable, so easy to drive, really great driver experience. When you get to your destination, the front seats in the Paradise Deluxe swivel round to form part of the lounge. Drop the seat forward and it spins round like this to face the rear. This makes a lovely convivial lounge space for 4 people, 5 or even 6, because either of these rear seats will drop down into a little 2-seater sofa too, all whilst the kitchenette and the lavatory is still available. Inside here, there's a huge amount of storage. This lever at the front lets you slide it forward, gives you 2 levels of recline, or in the third position, it lets you slide it right away, so it makes a sofa for 2 for relaxing, as well as a belted seat for travel. In nighttime mode, with both the front seats swiveled, and both of these down, you can have 2 single beds, or with the backrest dropped in, you can have a king-size double. There's the king-size double. How easy was that? After all these years, I guess I'm something of a campervan expert, and so I've written the Essential Campervan Buyer's Guide. It's over 100 pages of inside information, tips and tricks, anecdotes, stories from the open road, and I would love to share a copy with you as you're thinking about buying a campervan. Click the link below, fill in your details, I will send you one in the post completely free of charge. I'd love to do it. Oftentimes, folk moving out of a caravan or a big block of flats motorhome love this vehicle because it's got those 2 separate distinct areas which many campervans just don't have. On the near side, there's a spacious kitchenette. It's got induction cooking, there's a round stainless steel sink with a pull-out tap, there's full-time mains power, remember, so you can use all those great mains things from home. The water fills in here. We've got a pull-out tank which can easily be removed for draining for the winter and for keeping it clean. There's a good range of cupboards and compartments too to keep all your holiday essentials. There's really a lot of space to store things. This handy shelf lets you put your iPad here while you're cooking and pass the charging cable through to a USB point. And here on the offside we've got a microwave, and bear in mind you can use this at any time because this vehicle has full-time mains power. We've got a 50-litre cavernous fridge with a proper ice making compartment for the vanity area with a flushing toilet and a drop-down vanity unit. The electrical power is all controlled from our custom panel here. The inverter charger unit, which provides the full-time mains power, is controlled here on the left. 4 different lighting circuits, so you really can have any effect you fancy. Circuit breakers rather than fuses, so you'll never get caught without one. A switch for the fridge, a switch for the water pump, and auxiliary power here on the end. There's USB-C and traditional USB, and a cigar lighter too, also available here. This serving flap flips up and gives you additional serving space. You know, I see the growing band of Sussex Campervans owners as a great big family, and the vehicles look quite distinctive. We find people actually meet each other around and about the place and form new friendships, and we love to produce Campervan Lifestyle, which we send out every few months. This is full of people's stories from the open road, places they've been, things they've done, even the odd poem makes it into there, recipes. There's lots in here. We put Sussex Campervans news in as well. We would love you to have a copy when you own a Sussex Campervan and to share your stories with us too. Have you tried cooking on an induction hob yet? I like it so much. I've actually taken the gas hob out in my house and fitted induction instead. It's superb. All the control of gas, all the speed, but none of the risk of naked flames and CO. Here's another cool campervan accessory you can use if you've got full-time mains power. This is called a Remoska. This is like a mini oven that's also a saucepan. You can use it like a slow cooker and make stews and things. We've got one customer who makes scones. You know, when you're deciding who to buy your campervan from, after-sales support is one of the biggest things we find people are thinking about. At Sussex Campervans, we take that very seriously. We've prepared the Sussex Campervans handbook, which we supply with every campervan we sell. We print this in-house so we can continually update. This is full colour and it covers every aspect of your camper van. It's even got QR codes in so you can scan them and watch sections of a handover video where those things are explained. We also reproduce all the manuals to the appliances and technology in your camper van in a book too. So you can have this with you and refer to it if you've got any questions while you're out and about on your travels. We'd love to spend some time with you here at Sussex Campervans and help you on your journey to campervan ownership. Why not click the link below and book a call where one of us can spend some time going into details, understanding what you need in a campervan, what your dreams and aspirations are, where you'd like to go and what you'd like to do. Click the link below, book a time in our calendar, and we'd love to talk to you on the phone. And we'd love to see you at Sussex Campervans. When you chat to us on the phone, we can book a visit where you can come down, spend as long as you want, drink some nice coffee and tea, maybe have a test drive, and really go into details and understand what owning a campervan is really about. Get in touch, we'd love to see you soon.